Choosing the right branch and college for your B.Tech journey is a crucial decision that shapes your future. In this video, we will help you to navigate through the options and show why RR Group of Institutions in Lucknow is the perfect choice.
Hello, I'm Sharik Ahmed, the Training and Placement Department Officer at RR Group of Institutions. Let me guide you how to choose the best branch for the B.Tech studies and the right college that can align with your goals.
When choosing a branch, consider your interest and career aspirations. Here's a quick overview of some popular branches. First one is CSE, that is Computer Science and Engineering, perfect for those passionate about coding, AI and software development. The IT sector offers lucrative opportunities. The second one is Mechanical Engineering, ideal for students interested in designing and manufacturing machines with applications in industries like automotive and aerospace. The third one is Civil Engineering, best for those who want to shape the physical world through construction and infrastructure projects. Fourth one is Electronics and Communication Engineering, a branch for tech enthusiasts who wish to work with cutting-edge communication and electronic systems. Last but not the least, AI and machine learning, the future of engineering. Focus on data-driven solutions and automation.
I chose computer science because I love solving problems through technology. The opportunities in this field are endless.
Once you have decided the branch, so the next step is choosing a college that can provide you quality education, industry exposure. Here is why RR Group is the best place for you. Our campus is equipped with advanced labs, modern classrooms, and latest infrastructure that ensure seamless learning experience. At RR Group, we emphasize hands-on learning with through live projects, industrial visit, and expert interactions.
With strong industrial connections, we provide our students with opportunities to learn directly from the best in the field.
As far as our campus placement is concerned, so we are top amongst in Lucknow. Last year, over 95% students got campus placement in multinational companies like Infosys, Wipro and TCS.
The placement support RR Group gave me the confidence to start my career with one of the best leading tech firms.
A well-rounded experience is for personal growth. At RR Group, we offer events, clubs, and extracurricular activities.
The supportive environment and engaging activities at RR Group have helped me to grow academically and personally.
Choosing the right branch and college is a big decision, but with RR Group of Institutions, you can be confident in your choice. So here we are moving with you at each and every step.
Start your journey toward a successful engineering career with RR Group of Institutions. Admissions are open now.